Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two mini drones, the DyineeFy Mini Drone and the Oddire Mini Drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive right into it. Let's start with the design and features. The DyineeFy Mini Drone is equipped with a vibrant array of LED lights, creating a captivating ambiance during day or night flights. It also offers features like Headless Mode, altitude hold, and 360-degree flips for acrobatic maneuvers. On the other hand, the Oddire Mini Drone has a unique two-in-one design, allowing it to transform into a car. With its base, your child can experience the thrill of flying a drone and driving a racing car at the same time. It also offers features like one-click takeoff landing, stable altitude hover, and a flexible headless mode. Now, let's talk about battery life. The DyineeFy Mini Drone comes with rechargeable batteries and provides a flight time of up to 8 to 15 minutes. It also has a low battery alarm to keep you informed about the battery's status. On the other hand, the Oddire Mini Drone comes with two batteries and offers an impressive battery life of up to 20 to 30 minutes. That's longer than most competitors in the market. Moving on to durability and safety, the DyineeFy Mini Drone is made with high-quality ABS materials, which not only withstand numerous collisions but also provide enhanced protection for its propellers and motors. It also features 4 propeller guards, ensuring the safety of kids and beginners. Now, the Oddire Mini Drone also prioritizes durability with its high-quality, environmentally friendly materials. It wraps its 4 fan blades for added protection, keeping your child safe from spinning propellers. Based on online reviews, the DyineeFy Mini Drone is praised for its vibrant LED lights and a range of flight features, while the Oddire Mini Drone is loved for its versatile two-in-one design that combines flying a drone and driving a racing car. Both drones have positive reviews and are recommended for kids and beginners. And that concludes our comparison between the DyineeFy Mini Drone and the Oddire Mini Drone. Both drones have their unique features, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. The DyineeFy Mini Drone offers vibrant LED lights and a range of flight features, while the Oddire Mini Drone combines the thrill of flying a drone with the fun of driving a racing car. Whichever you choose, both drones make fantastic gifts for kids and beginners. Thank you for watching this episode of Buy Smart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Leave a comment below and let us know which mini drone caught your attention. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.